Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rahman Anjum. Welcome to my channel, Anjum's Ravishing English.
English Grammar and Composition 9th, 10th. Chapter 3. Tenses. Lesson 1. Use of introductory it and there. Translation of sentences. Urdu to English. Exercise 1. Sentence 1.
आज सख्त गर्मी है.
It is very hot today. Sentence 2.
शाम हो गई है.
It is evening, or it fell evening. Sentence 3.
मेज पर कोई किताब नहीं है.
There is no book on the table. Sentence 4.
क्या खेल के मैदान में कोई खिलाड़ी है?
Is there any player in the playground? Sentence 5.
क्या इस तालाब में मछलियां हैं?
Are there fish in this pond? Sentence 6.
पानी में बहुत से मेंढक थे.
There were many frogs in the water. Sentence 7.
प्लेटफॉर्म पर कोई मुसाफिर ना था.
There was no passenger on the platform. Sentence 8.
खेत में कितने मवेशी थे?
How many cattle were there in the field? Sentence 9.
टोकरी में कुछ सेब हैं.
There are some apples in the basket. Sentence 10.
दरिया के किनारे 4 कश्तियां थीं.
There were 4 boats on the bank of the river. Sentence 11.
मकान में कोई ना था.
There was nobody in the house. Sentence 12.
संदूक में नए कपड़े नहीं हैं.
There are no new clothes in the box. Sentence 13.
छत पर कौन है?
Who is there on the roof? Sentence 14.
क्या ओले पड़ रहे हैं?
Is it hailing? Sentence 15.
पिंजरे में शेर ना था.
There was no lion in the cage.
Are you ready for more fun learning? Then like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.